mask off.
Take a left at the next intersection.
That doesn't even have a stoplight there. See that?
Keep to the right and take the first exit.
Oh shit, this is the driving thing. Stop on the highway.
You have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
This is the weirdest GPS ever. Oh shit,
Take the
I'm not
highway
recording the time.
and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
Die.
I don't want to die. Not here. Not like this.
Hope.
If I succeed, I'll get more letters for the hangman. It's my only lead. No turning back now.
Okay. Let's fucking do it. Sean.
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son.
Okay, let's do it, bro. Come on. Listen, I also completely forgot how to play this game. Except...
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake.
Punks.
I have no choice.
Alright, I think I'm good with, like, the quick times, but, like, these... Is this slow? Or is this, like... I don't remember what that is. That one's spacebar. Oh, that one you gotta hold if it's like that. Okay, gotcha. Wrong way!
Come on!
What? Did I do it? Oh, I have to press... Is that the mouse that I have to do? It's the mouse, okay. That's weird, because it said I didn't fail the first one, but the first one I was pressing buttons.
I can do this, come on!
Just drive the left. Thank God it's not my car. Oh, fuck. What?
You still have 4 miles to go before
Wow,
you reach
that
your
is a
destination.
long way. That guy is in the street. That's not even a hazard for me, that's a hazard for everyone. A W. Ooh, oh.
You still have 3 miles to go before you
What
reach
is
your
that? Okay, that is some French ass shit right there. What? Oh, gee! Go. The fucking mouse is fucking me up, man.
You still have 2 miles.
Oh, did you see that? It said sun, S-U-N. It's like a deep reminder of, it's who I do it for, man. Oh, this is bad.
Come on! Move out the goddamn way!
Wait, I could have gone forward there? Fucking face. Oh, it just so happens that, for just such an occasion.
You still have 1 mile to go before you reach your destination.
Oh man, the cops are in it too. They want to save my son.
Oh, fuck!
Fuck you. I'm a well-known cop killer.
God!
W. Oh my God, he's dead.
Oh, fuck!
Okay, you definitely hit a guy there, didn't you? Ow, oh yeah, there's a guy on the ground there. Oh, fuck that one up. A D! Fuck! Don't worry, the rain will put it out, I'm sure.
Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached. Your reward is in the glove compartment.
Wait a second.
The key is inside the GPS.
Okay, I was about to say.
Your reward is in the glove
You're telling me you
compartment.
didn't you?
The key
do the-
is inside
What?
the GPS.
Open.
Your reward is in the glove compartment.
What? It said to go down, but it wanted me to go up.
Your reward is in the glove compartment.
I was about to say, if we did this whole thing, and it was just inside the GPS, I mean, just inside the fucking glove department, his dumbass didn't even check it. I'm pressing, oh, it's upside down, that's why it's so opposite day. Wow, David Page, you fooled me again. Oh, see, look, I literally just said it was upside down, and I still don't understand it's upside down. David Cage, the genius game creator. I don't know why you didn't unbuckle earlier. Can you unbuckle? Can we go? Damn, seatbelt's the world's most unsafe safe device? Get the fuck out of here. Did you stop? You did. I didn't tell you to stop. Go. Go ham. Okay, my tiny little mouse pad is not made for this. Please, David. Okay, seriously. Alright, I'm taking this bad boy off the mouse pad. David, please. I might just have to do this whole goddamn game without a mouse pad. That way, I guess. Fuck this door, because I have to move my other hand over to, like, not... so I don't roll my mouse pad across the room. And then I have to take it, so I have to take it off the WASDA. So then I'm not WASDA available. Well, thank God the cops don't give half a shit. Oh, I forgot it in there. No. Here's your son drowning some more. Wouldn't that imply that he recently, like very, very recently, like within the last 24 hours recently, put that video in there? Why did the... Okay, sure. Where's the rain when you need it? I love that car like a son. Now another boy is dead. When will it all end? Really glad the cops just don't give a fuck, though. That's real nice of them.